Endangered animals are under the risk of becoming extinct every day.
Humans are one of the main contributors to the endangerment of species.
Over 150 species of birds are on the critically endangered list, along with many other beloved animals such as tigers,
Turtles,
polar bears,
grizzlies,
whales,
and monarch butterflies. Deforestation is now a major problem on our planet. The unregulated destruction of forests for wood and land results in a disruption of the carbon cycle, where CO2 is consumed and oxygen is produced by trees. Deforestation also results in drier climates, soil erosion, and desertification. Desertification makes land useless for cultivation and increases the size of the Sahara Desert every year. Forests, rivers, and land are being taken up to support consumer needs, from the train being used up by humans.
Animals are losing homes, hunting grounds, and habitat. For example, the tigers are the largest of the Asian cats. They are constantly losing territory, forcing them into smaller hunting regions, not suited to them. Already, 3 species of tigers have become extinct. These solitary hunters need territories from 10 to 1,000 kilometers square, depending on prey abundance. Another, the grizzly, is one of the largest living carnivores. Their dependence on large natural areas is pushing them further and further toward human populations as our cities grow. The decline of the grizzly is such that they are considered high priority for importance as predators and seed distributors. These 2 great animals are important indicators of an ecosystem's health, and without them, the balance of predator, prey, and vegetation could be heavily turned in the prey's favor.
With already low levels of vegetation, pollution from humans will reach dangerous levels. A major source of air pollution in our society is cars. With the number of cars on the roads growing every year, more and more exhaust is being pumped into our ecosystem. Air pollution is also caused by industries using incinerators and chemicals. Methane, mostly coming from cows, is also a contributor. Air pollution is a health hazard and can result in such things as lung cancer. Soil contamination happens when chemicals are released into the ground, often coming as a result from farmers. This can result in contaminated food or water. Contaminants from homes and companies go through the sewer system and enter bodies of water and make their way to the ocean. The pollution of oceans is endangering many aquatic animals.
The fin whale is the 2nd largest living mammal, behind the blue whale. It is known along many coasts of the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Slowly, as temperatures of our oceans increase and food supplies decrease, these majestic animals are becoming extinct. As one of the most endangered species, it will be a sad loss when we no longer have these creatures in our world. The polar bears of the Arctic are also affected by rising water temperatures. The higher temperature causes ice floes to melt, leaving polar bears with less land to hunt and live on. Their prey is becoming harder to catch, and other food sources are scarce. Although polar bears are not yet endangered, their futures are uncertain. The loss of some species results in a loss of medicines that we have, and some yet undiscovered.
Such organizations as the World Wildlife Fund and the IUCN try to protect endangered species by creating protected national parks and funding for research.
And that concludes our special broadcast today.
Tune in next time for natural disasters.
Goodbye and good night.